How to make a second income with a full-time job. There are basically 3 ways you can earn money. The first one is to work for it. This is the most common and preferred method of gaining financial stability, but it also happens to be the slowest. Working for somebody only makes that individual richer while you receive the same pay every month and find new ways to break your back that you may try to impress somebody that doesn't give a damn. The second way is to steal. Here you don't have to work the long grueling hours for a selfish prick and cash comes by pretty easy and quick. But this is an illegal means of getting a quick buck and the odds of you hitting the slammer for the rest of your life is very high. You also face the bullet and ass risk, something you don't want to take. So what's the third way of earning money? That would be having the cash work for you, but how? This is done through investing, which is pretty much self-explanatory. What you do here is invest your dough into a medium which will give you back your money with interest. Investing gives you passive income. This means that you get paid by the investment you made while you do anything you want. Lastly, you can try online investing, which is considered by many to be the most convenient of all. Why? Because all transactions here can be done with a computer from your house. The traders can research, buy, sell, and make money off their investments over the net, so there's no need of leaving the comfort of your room. But doing so will require amounts of education. The same goes for the other types of investment. So if you're still interested in putting your money to better use and ready to quit busting your butt to make somebody else rich, then start learning more about this. The income you deserve is waiting.